Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee macarons. First, let's master the macaron shells. Begin by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together to ensure a smooth batter. Next, whip your egg whites to stiff, glossy peaks. This creates the stable meringue needed for those iconic feet. Finally, carefully fold your dry ingredients into the meringue, a process called macaronage, until the batter flows like slow-moving lava. This careful technique is key to perfect shells. Now, let's create that irresistible creme brulee filling. Start by gently heating heavy cream with a split vanilla bean to infuse a deep, aromatic flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to temper the yolks and prevent them from scrambling. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Chill thoroughly before piping. With your shells and filling ready, it's time for assembly. Take one cooled macaron shell and pipe a generous dollop of your chilled creme brulee custard onto its flat side. Gently place another macaron shell on top, creating a beautiful sandwich. For that signature creme brulee crunch, sprinkle a small amount of granulated sugar on the top shell. Then, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it's golden brown and crisp. This adds a delightful textural contrast. To truly enhance the flavor and texture, allow your assembled creme brulee macarons to mature in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. This resting period softens the shells and melds the flavors beautifully. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days for optimal enjoyment. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, you'll find a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* there too. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.